Hello, Je. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. More blessings and rocket to come. Stay humble and sweet. Love, love. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Par. Wish you all the best. More birthdays to come. See ya.
Happy birthday, Boss Jerome. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Happy birthday nga pala sa aking kumpare na co-clowns ko dyan sa Florida na si Yom Yom El Rapido, also known as Jerome Magbag Alvarado. Happy birthday pare, more birthdays to come from Papa Charles Clown. More blessings sa atin pare, ingat lagi, stay safe.
Oh, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Jerome! Happy!
Oh yeah, sir. Yung happy birthday. Sumawag sa more show. Nandito lang ako. Pagdaga ako ng tulog. Kasama lang ako. God bless all.
Hey, July 25, 2025. Happy birthday palagi ka, Parang Jerome Magbag Alvarado. Wish ko kaya ka sana good health at saka dahil pa sana datang event para kaya ka at ka rin kaya biya tamang it's more fun and keep safe lalo natin bagyong yan eh mag-enjoy ka mo nganing aldo na ni kaya kang kabayitan. Happy birthday ulit par. God bless
Happy
you.
birthday, Kuya Yum Yum. Wish you all the best. More events pa po. Happy birthday. Bye.
Okay, so alright. O Nina, batiyan tayo pong matinding happy birthday kaya katang payaso. Uling o ining magpasaya ka rin kaya katamong anak, potang mag-birthday lo. At nang nanuman event, iyay maging bido. Uling kengke ang galing at diskarte. Yom Yom, El Rapido, Payaso. O may kawa-kawa niya yata, pero happy birthday sir, kan Jerome Magbag. At sana, biyunlad pa yung kaya kang racket. King South ning Mayupaya, tayak kalingwan, at oy ning susi, para king kaya katamon tagumpe. Kasibayo, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Koy. Wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. Birthday.
Hello Konje, happy birthday. Sana mas dakal pang shows, racket na datangke ka. More blessings to come and enjoy your day. Keep safe.
Happy birthday, Jerome. Wish you all the best na sana lagi kang malakas and more blessings to come to you. Na sana yung clown mo, yung business mo is lalo panda ka lang customer and basta laging mimingat kita mo and salamat kay Pami Barkada from the very start kaya ka nagbayo para ka na ako salamat mo rin kitang pamanyaw mo dati ka na ako hanggang ngayon naman and kaya pa rin magbayo maraming dakala salamat kaya ka Jerome and basta mingat lagi and enjoy your birthday see you soon. Happy birthday!